Alright guys, I've got the G8 differential on my fixture. It finally came in. First thing we're going to do is we're going to punch the outer pinion race out. I'm doing a cam on this one, cam and lifters. It's getting a BTR Truck Norris cam. Kind of small, but that's what they wanted. Got it. Okay. Oh, we got a little bit of trash in there. Just some grease. I'm gonna take okay, let me make sure I have a driver for this thing. A driver. Hello, driver. Where are... right there. I just did a differential on a 2010 Mustang 8.8 traction lock. Okay, we'll do it this way, yeah. We will do it that way. Grab a good sized hammer. I'll use that one. You guys heard that sound change? So that kind of indicates. I'll just double check. Yeah. She ain't going down any further. And it is flush. Okay. Okay. The next thing we're gonna do is let's see, put this bearing in. We're gonna squirt some lube in there. I like to pre-lube the bearings just a little bit. Not looking to completely just soak them, but I just don't want these to be dry, because the next thing we're gonna do is the seal. So again, so use gear, so I can't really adjust pinion depth. 058, 05, okay. So this should be our pinion seal. Oh, going down even. Alright. Let's see if I have a... see if that's big enough. Ooh, nice. I'll hold this. Beautiful. Make sure our spring isn't sitting in there. Got our crush collar on. Again, gonna just get that in there. Okay, so got just a tool. Not really. I actually want to make a tool for this part. I would love to make a tool for this. Let's grab the brass hammer. Put this in here. Look at that. Okay, so now it's held in there. Right down. We will take some thread sealer. So we don't have any leaks past the splines. Again, we will, let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. Do I have thread? I have thread showing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I need the nut. There it is. I am reusing it. Y'all can calm yourselves. I like to do this part with an air gun. I don't like using my electric gun for doing this. I think it was a 30. It's not. 32. So what we're gonna do is take up all the slack. Whoa. All right. Gotta go grab me the big gun. I'll set this like this. Whoa. So I can simulate. Yeah, let's go grab the one. My gun is still, I have a gun still at the house. But me and my father have the same average gun. I have overhaul everyone. We're gonna steal this next step. All right. This is for you folks that say you cannot tighten pinion preload with a gun. All right. Let's see what the specification is Ooh, she's tight. .28 to 42 inch-pounds. Conveniently, I know what that feels like by hand. But I'll go steal Anthony's. Oh, she's still loose. Nice and smooth, no kinks. I think we're close, folks. Anthony, I am stealing your inch-pound turning torque wrench. Yeah, 28 to 42. I'm gonna guess it's at like 25 right now. Yeah. The old hand. And it's like I've done this before. Okay. So we'll go to... Oh, that's it right there. That's it right there. .34. What's the spec? 28 to 32. Oh, 28 to 42. We're at 34. Oh, we're golden. Golden. Okay. Well, that's real good. That is real good, guys. I'm happy with that. So we don't need this anymore. Put that back there. We're going to install, oh, the ring gear. Without losing my fingers. Okay. Okay. Come on, fingers, work. Okay. We're gonna, actually, we're gonna outsmart the gear. Come on, find your hole. Okay. Okay, those loosened up. Good job. Yeah, those big ones loosened up. Hey, no big deal. That was fine. Put it in the right way. Which one else? There it is. Sorry, Dad. Busy. Okay, take our caps. I'm hoping the pattern is exactly the same. I can tell for sure the backlash has tightened up just by feel, because we're at 6 and the spec is between 2 and 5. So if it tightened it up, that's good. Just by replacing everything. So I'm not going to torque these down to spec, but I will get them tight. Okay, let's grab this. Make sure this. Oh yeah, that feels good. That feels. Oh, that's metal. That is metal. Uh-oh. You guys can see that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, it's right at 6 again. Okay, maybe I'm just lying to you guys. Still at 6. So our backlash is still at 6. Oh, I'm tired, folks. I am tired. I've had me a day doing all heavy work, which I love doing, but heavy work don't pay the bills. This over. So we're exactly the same pattern. So on our drive side, we're towards the heel, and on our coast sides, we are towards the toe. Low battery, perfect. That worked out beautifully. So I'll get these 4 torqued to spec. Let me pull up the torque spec here. Differential side cap bolts. We got the 218 axle, 77 foot-pounds. Let's grab the torque wrench, get these torqued, and this will wrap up the axle build on the G8. 18, 77, so 105 newton meters. All right, we are all done. I'm happy with it. It all went together smooth. This went 1,000 times smoother than it did on my own personal truck. And I didn't do a video on setting this up, and I'm glad I didn't, because I struggled. But you guys have a good night. We're done. 30 minutes to put this thing together, but adios.